Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Slack application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the U section down below, which is the last option. And after that you should tap on the view profile icon and tap on edit profile. Here you can upload a profile photo by tapping on this camera icon in the left side of the screen. You have two options. You can either select a picture from your gallery or take a photo with your phone. You can also type in your full name, your display name, which is the username basically, and you can also type in your phone number, which is a great opportunity so that your teammates can contact you via phone or send you a message if you are not active or unavailable on Slack. So if you are done with adding all these information about yourself and you would like to change the changes, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating this function. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.